Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your screensaver into ribbons in a very simple way. You just simply come over your start icon, then go for settings, or you can simply go into your desktop, click on the right mouse button and then click on personalize. It will automatically redirect to the personalization, and then you just need to go for the lock screen, and then you will get an option called screensaver. If you click on that, you can see screensaver settings windows pops up. And you can see into my screensaver, I selected 3D text. So if I want to select the ribbons will looks like this into my computer. And it will take 1 minute to save my screensaver on. And if I just click on apply and click on OK, it will shows after my screensaver, or if you open your monitor and don't touch it for 1 minute, it will automatically shows you screensaver in ribbons. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.